In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Zoho Mail. We've all been there. You hit send and immediately wish you could take it back. Maybe it was a typo, an attachment you forgot to include, or simply the wrong recipient. Whatever the reason, being able to recall an email can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step so that you can recover from your email mishap quickly and easily. To get started, first, make sure you're logged into Zoho Mail through the web interface. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your Sent folder. This folder can be found in the menu on the left side of your screen. It houses all the emails you've sent, making it the perfect place to start when you need to recall a message. Now that you're in the Sent folder, find the email you wish to recall. To do this, you might need to scroll through your sent messages or use the search bar if you remember specific keywords or details about the email. Once you've located the target email, you'll notice an icon labeled MDS. This stands for Mail Delivery Status. Click on this icon to proceed with the recall process. After clicking the MDS icon, a pop-up window should appear on your screen. This pop-up is crucial as it contains the option you need. Look for the Recall This Email button within the pop-up. Clicking this button is your next step. But before you proceed, take a moment to think about why you're recalling the email. Having this reason in mind can help ensure you select the correct option for what you need to do next. Once you've hit Recall This Email, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. This is a great safety net to prevent accidental recalls, so make sure to double-check that this is the correct email and the right decision for you. Confirm your choice, and Zoho Mail will begin the recall process. Finally, it's important to know what happens next. Zoho Mail will notify you regarding the success of your email recall. This could be a complete success, a partial success, or, unfortunately, a failure, depending largely on the recipient's status. For example, if the recipient is using a mail client that supports email recalls and hasn't opened the message yet, the recall is more likely to be successful. However, if the email has been read or their client doesn't support recalls, the process may not work as desired. Now you know how to recall an email in Zoho Mail. While email recalls aren't foolproof, having this tool at your disposal can certainly help mitigate minor errors swiftly. Practice this technique so that it becomes second nature, and it will certainly be a lifesaver at times. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email.